Alright, if you're watching this video right now, it means you're an extremely attractive person who drives a Saturn Ion. If you drive a Saturn Ion quad coupe, you're probably near supermodel levels of attractiveness. If you don't drive a Saturn Ion, you're probably a loyal subscriber who's considering driving one. So, let's say this happens to you. Trying to start the car, and no go. Alright, let's wait a second here. Okay, if you're getting this light, this is what you do. It's 11:15 right now. I'm going to pull out the key. Okay. The car's off, key is out. I don't know if you can see that. But wait until that light's off. Don't open the door. Don't do anything. Just wait until that light's off. In the meantime, you can go on your phone and text message someone, go on Instagram or do something. But wait until this light's off. This clock, wait until it turns off. That's about 10 minutes. So I will check back in 10 minutes. Okay, the light just turned off. So let's go ahead and try to start the car now. Works. There you have it. So, the reason that light, well, you can't see my hand right now, but the reason that light near the 30 and 40 mile per hour hashes was on, that's the security light. Your car thinks it's getting stolen, so it cuts off fuel. So if that happens, don't panic. Take the key out, wait for this to turn off. That's the 10-minute mark, that's the battery save point, so that'll turn off, so you'll be okay. So yeah, it's a pain in the ass. You gotta wait 10 minutes, but you don't have to call a tow truck or, call someone to pick you up or anything like that. So if you're a guy, you're probably a cool guy, good-looking guy with a great personality. If this happens on a date, don't panic. Tell your date, oh crap, my car thinks it's getting stolen. Hey, let's just talk for 10 minutes. Get to know you. It's bonding time. Don't steal my line. That's my line. Bonding time. But, or give me credit. Say, I learned that from Automotive Vlog. So, if you're a girl, this happens like at the gym or something. Yeah, you don't have to talk to any creepers, Don't talk to any creepy guys. You got this. Now you know what to do. There you go. That's how to start a Saturn Ion, preferably quad coupe with the manual. I can't see it if it doesn't start. So there you go. Alright everyone, kick ass, be safe, and take it easy.